What is going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Marissa, and in this video, we are going to be talking about how to make money online in 2019, and in my opinion, for the next decade. And I'm going to talk about 6 ways where you can start to build up to making $1,000 per month. So go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Welcome back to this video, guys. My name is Marissa Romero, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. What you can expect on this channel is me teaching you how to make money online. I talk about everything you need to know, from sales funnels, online advertising, paid advertising, free advertising, email marketing, basically whatever you're stuck on, you can find it on this channel. And also, I will be incorporating a lot more lifestyle, motivation, and travel content, most importantly, because I am a digital nomad, and in a couple of days here, I'll be headed off to Medellin, Colombia, and the coffee in Colombia is probably much stronger than American coffee, and I'm pumped to try Colombian coffee, you guys. So if any of that resonates with you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because right now I'm posting very consistently. I try to upload and bring content to you guys daily. And now I put a lot of thought into this video, so if you enjoy it at all, if you're excited to see what I have to talk about, go ahead and smash that like button. And now I'd love to give you guys a key phrase today, because that lets me know, what you guys are still interested in learning. So today's key phrase is make money online. So if you guys are interested in making money online and building up a side hustle, or potentially a full-time income to replace whatever 9-to-5 job or whatever circumstance you're in, go ahead and write make money online in the comments below so I can get a feel of who's interested in what. Alright, let's dive into today's content on making money online. So the number one idea or method, not that it's number one, but the first idea that I have for you guys on making money online, and I think it's a very, very, very excellent way to make money online, and that is to produce your own online course, your own digital product. Now think about like all the universities that have these digital courses that you're paying for, and that they're charging, an insane amount of money, thousands of dollars a semester for you to access this online information that's kind of evergreen, and you just, take it. They don't have to administer it. There's no face-to-face and classroom interaction. It's just you teaching the content and preparing the content for them in whatever expertise you have. So I advise you guys to consider, if you have a passion, if you're an expert at something, especially if you're an expert and have a passion in the same thing, to go ahead and create an online course. And it's very, very simple to create an online course. Really what you need is actually a membership site builder or a platform where you can host your online course, because most likely you are going to be creating teachable content in the form of videos. Maybe you'll be having, underneath those videos, you'll be having links to downloadables or PDFs or additional resources to send your students to, supplement whatever lesson you're teaching. The reason why I say that this is a great way to make at least $1,000 per month is because with my digital courses, I actually made $1,500 at my highest month. And so, you guys, I say that, you might be thinking, well, it's not that much money, but hey, I did mention in this video, this is $1,000 a month. However, I wanted to say that I made that money with literally minimal effort of promoting it. I didn't even do a product launch for the course. I didn't do anything. I mean, I hardly promoted it, and I was still able to make $1,500, on autopilot or passively, or whatever you want to call it. But people knew that I had an expertise in something, and they wondered if I had a course to teach them how to do it. And I'm like, yes, I sure do. It's this amount of money, one-time fee. And so I was able to sell a bunch of them, and I'm still selling them actually, but it's something I haven't focused on. So if I did, I'm sure I could easily bring that income from, $1,500 a month to probably closer to like the 10K mark if I really focused on it and created a webinar around it and stuff like that. I'll leave the link to another video I made in the description that talks about how to outline a digital course, how to build one. I'll leave some tools that I use to build up my membership sites and my digital courses. It's really cool. But at the very minimum, you're going to probably need to record videos. You're probably going to want to do outlines, lay out your content, maybe in a PowerPoint presentation style, or whatever you see fit. Or maybe it is even you, maybe recording yourself talking in front of a whiteboard, kind of really explaining and taking your students step by step on how to learn whatever it is, how to build whatever it is. And that's the main outcome and goal with building a digital product. Let's talk about idea number 2 for making money online in 2019. And of course, that is with YouTube, what you are watching right now. And so I can't rage more and more about YouTube. I mean, I love it. I've actually built up my YouTube business this year in 2018. I started in March. I, basically went from 300 subs to, at the making of this video, I think I'm at 12,700, but I was consistent and I chose a niche and I stuck with it, and I started to provide value and started to build my audience. So I started to make content around videos that help people, solve problems, answer questions. And so that is why I believe the YouTube algorithm worked in my favor and sent me lots of traffic, sent me lots of subs, and it was really exciting to see the growth. And I remember hitting my first, 1,000 subs and then my first 10,000 subscribers. I have links to those videos. I'll leave those links in the descriptions on how exactly to do it. But I'm actually a partner with YouTube. I'm a part of the YouTube partnership program. So I'm able to monetize my content because YouTube pays me money to run ads on my videos. The ones that you see before, maybe the little pop-ups you see at the bottom, and the videos that play after my videos. So it's really exciting, and so that is kind of the #1 way I monetize YouTube. And there's several other ways I monetize it in addition to like affiliate marketing, digital course creation, and so I'm also building my list as I create content on my YouTube channel. So it's pretty cool. And so you may be wondering, well, do you really have to be on video? Here's the thing, guys. I'm not somebody who is, who considered myself entertaining or funny or even like that great in front of the camera, but I knew that I had value to offer, and when you focus on that, when you start creating content, it just kind of starts to flow and you start to get better at what you're creating and what you're saying. And so I highly encourage you to give it a try, because YouTube is great because it's also a form of public speaking. So really you improve and sharpen your skills on public speaking and your confidence, and of course building up a brand for, whether it's your personal brand or another business that you have. It's literally the second best thing to meeting somebody in person and getting red hot leads into your business. So the third idea to making money online in 2019 is doing review content for either products or books or something that you like, that you enjoy, and that you can do a review on. So if I were to give you an example, let's say you are in the fitness niche and you have either a fitness blog, website, or a YouTube channel. What you can do is literally make a review on some of your favorite products. Maybe that's like a blender, or maybe that's some type of weight loss product or a supplement or whatever it is. So people are always searching for reviews and more information about things they haven't tried. So when they come to your blog post or your YouTube channel, you can put your affiliate link for that product in the YouTube channel or in your blog post. And when people, because if people get value from their content and they see that they actually want to give you an affiliate commission because you provided them so much helpful information about the product, and so you'll be honest and sincere about the product, pros and cons and stuff like that. And that is a great way to start to make, to build up to $1,000 in revenue a month just with doing and reviewing products alone. And the other thing I wanted to mention about reviewing products is this method is very, it could turn into like a one and done type passive income stream, because you just you create this video once and it's there forever on the internet, and so people will always see it. And so it's kind of like you put in the hard work to, you know, for an hour doing your research and create the content, and it's there, you know, forever, as long as you want to leave it up. So it's pretty cool. There'll always be traffic to it as long as it's up on the internet. So for the next couple ways, I'm going to just combine number 4 and 5, because this is kind of separate ideas with both the same platform. Another great way to start making money online in 2019 is with Instagram. Now, Instagram is a very, very, very powerful platform. It is still alive. It is still running. And so what you guys could do to monetize Instagram is obviously start growing a brand on it. But if one thing you could do, so let's call this number 4, one thing you could do is to learn how to run paid advertising for Instagram accounts, and you could either run them for yourself and promote it to an offer you're selling, or somebody could hire you to run ads for them, or you could also be known as a social media manager. So you could learn the skill set of running Instagram ads. It's basically the same thing as running Facebook ads. There is a learning curve, but if you really put your mind to it, it doesn't take that long. So the reason I like the idea of running Instagram ads is because there's this option right now to run Instagram story ads. So if you have Instagram, you've probably seen these story ads where, you know, they'll pop up in your Instagram story feed and say, you know, swipe up now to get my blah, 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 blah. It could be in any niche, but those ads are still very much so untouched, and people aren't really utilizing them. So if you could learn how to run these ads for yourself and market a product, whether it's your own or somebody else's, and if you can learn how to do it and have people hire you to do it for them, you can really, really, really start to make at least $1,000 a month, anywhere from $1,000, and if you work hard at it, up to $10,000 a month and beyond, because you could have you know, revenue coming in for products you're promoting, and also people paying you to do it for them, because businesses do not want to learn social media marketing on their own. They want to hire you to do their online marketing for them. So the 5th way with Instagram, making money online in 2019, let's just call it being an influencer, so growing your influence on Instagram. So people will pay you to do collaborations with you, people will pay you to promote their products, and people will also pay you for shout outs. So people will pay you for a shout out in their story, people will pay you for a shout out to post on their actual account, and you could be an influencer who offers, you know, a fee for posting for 24 hours, for lifetime, whatever it is. So that is another way, is to build up your influence, build up an authority account, and do it that way. And so what I'm going to do is I'll leave my number 1 recommended tool that I use to grow my Instagram, because nowadays you pretty much need automation to grow on Instagram. Like, the days are over where, in my opinion, where Instagram just grows organically, and unless you're Justin Bieber, Kim Kardashian, like, your Instagram is just not going to skyrocketly grow on its own anymore. Alright, so the 6th and final way that the 6th and final idea that I like to share with you guys for making money online in the future is what I do full time, and that is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is the art of selling other people's products and making a commission off of it. So in this case, obviously it is online. So what that would mean is that you would get an affiliate link from whatever company that you're promoting, and there would be an affiliate link coded to you. If somebody clicks on your affiliate link and buys a product, you make a commission off of it, and it's very beautiful. You don't have to worry about the fulfillment, the customer service, none of that. So you literally get money in your pocket, and the company does all the rest. They do all the fulfillment and they ship it, or whatever it is, or maybe it's a coaching program that you help sell, and then they have to do the coaching. So really, it's a win-win for everybody involved. And so I guess when I advise people when people ask me how to get started in affiliate marketing, the simplest way to explain it is that you have to pick a platform and stick with it to start creating an audience and giving value like I'm doing now. Like my YouTube channel, I picked the Make Money Online niche and I'm giving value to you guys. And so you have to build up an audience. So maybe you pick a platform like Pinterest or Instagram or Facebook, but you have to pick a platform, double down on it, start building an audience, start creating create a lead magnet or a free giveaway to start collecting leads into your business. And then you can offer people and promote to people and sell to people on your list or on whatever platform it is. And really, this formula works in any niche, whether that's finance, make money online, fitness, tech, really any type of niche you want to get into, there is affiliate marketing products that you can promote for that niche. And so I actually have an extensive training in the first link in the description, and I'd like to invite you guys to check it out after this video. It's a full 5-day series on what exactly it is you need to know about affiliate marketing. So I'd invite you guys to check that out. And that wraps up this video for today. I hope you guys got inspired by a couple of the ideas I shared with you on how to make money online in 2019 and beyond. So my name is Marissa Romero. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.